The Terracotta Army. In 1974, workmen who were digging a well in northern western China discovered an ancient secret. They uncovered the first of many life-size clay soldiers in a tomb. These soldiers were made of a kind of clay called terracotta. Over time, workers at the tomb exposed more than 8,000 warriors and horses. The terracotta warriors or horses have been standing in the tomb for more than 2,000 years. Who were these statues supposed to be? What were they doing in the ground? Scientists have been unlocking the mystery for more than 30 years now. About 2,200 years ago, an emperor named Qin Shi Huangdi ruled the land now called China. To gain control, he fought wars all over land, even in the remote areas. When Queen lived, it was the custom to bury a ruler with things he might need after he died. Qin had many enemies, so he felt he needed an army to protect his tomb. That's why the warriors look as if they are prepared to fight. The terracotta warriors are extremely lifelike. You can see strands of hair that cling to the neck. Every statue has a different face hairstyle and expression. Qin was not timid about making the tomb grand. Scientists believe it took 36 years to build. At least 700 people worked to complete it. Also, Qin wanted to take with him everything he had when he was alive. He made sure his body would be surrounded by silks, pearls, and gems. Qin also has statues of acrobats, singers, musicians, and dancers to entertain him. All these people would have performed for the emperor. There were also statues of pigs, dogs, horses, and sheep in the tomb. At one time, the horses and leaders straps with shiny bronze metal. The bronze still shines, but the leader decayed long ago. The statues were painted in reds, blues, greens, and purples. When scientists took one statue out into the dry climate, the paint disappeared. Horrified, they looked for ways to save the colors in the other statues. The Emperor Qin accomplished a lot during his rule. He began using ways and measures. The name China probably came from the word Xin. Scientists have learned a lot about how emperors lived by exploring Qin's tomb. Unfortunately, vandals, people who set out to destroy things damaged by water and or fire. Scientists have worked to piece together what was once there. Today, scientists are still uncovering more treasures from the town. With each discovery, we find out more and more about life in China so long ago.